In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the COUNTIF and COUNTIFS functions in Microsoft Excel. These are incredibly useful tools for managing and analyzing your data based on specified criteria. Whether you're working with student scores, sales figures, or any other data set, these functions can streamline your workflow considerably. First things first, make sure you've opened up your Microsoft Excel file where you'd like to apply these functions. We'll start by looking at the COUNTIF function. This is your go-to when you're interested in counting cells based on just one criterion. Imagine you've got a list of student scores and you want to know how many students scored above a certain mark, say 70. Here's how we do that. Locate the cell where you want the result to display. Once you've clicked on it, type in the equal sign followed by COUNTIF. Excel is smart and should suggest the COUNTIF function as you type. Click on it. Now it's time to choose the range of cells that contain the scores. Highlight these cells and then type a comma. For our criterion, which is scores greater than 70, you'll need to type in a string. Start with a comma, then an apostrophe, the greater than symbol followed by 70. Close this with an apostrophe and a parenthesis, then hit enter. In a second, Excel will show you how many students scored above 70 in that range. Now, let's move on to the COUNTIFS function, which is designed for counting cells based on two or more conditions. It's perfect if, for instance, you're looking to count the number of students who scored between 45 and 70. Once again, click on the cell where you'd like to see your results displayed. Just like before, start by typing in the equal sign followed by COUNTIFS. Choose the appropriate COUNTIFS function when it automatically suggests. You'll start out much like before. Select your range of cells, then add a comma. Now for the first criterion, within apostrophes, type the greater than or equal to symbol followed by 45 and close with an apostrophe. Add another comma. Now you'll input your second criterion, select the same range of cells again, add another comma, and type your condition using apostrophes. This time you'll use the less than or equal to sign followed by 70, again closing it off with an apostrophe and parenthesis. Finally, hit enter, and just like that, Excel will present you with the count of students whose scores fall between 45 and 70. With these steps, you now have the formulaic keys to unlocking deeper insights into your data sets. Understanding how to effectively use COUNTIF and COUNTIFS functions can save time and make your data processing much more efficient. So give it a try and see how these functions can enhance your data analysis experience.